Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I've stayed long without recording, but I've got something so amazing, so marvelous, so interesting. There's a new platform which I've just launched. It's called BESTMULA Agency. It's also under the management of Lipapa. So without wasting time, let's go direct through the video. Okay, let's go to the BESTMULA. How some of you will ask me, how can you join BESTMULA Agency? You can join BESTMULA Agency by tapping on the link on my description. Go to my description, tap the link, and then you just register. So how do you make money in the BESTMULA Agency? As you see here, I'm having a balance of 16k. So 16k. I just opened this account to show you guys. Once you open your account with the BESTMULA Agency, in order to access your account, you need to activate it. Activating is you activate it with what? 18,000. So once you activate it, it is going to open like this. So there are ways of earning in it. Here are the ways of earning. Let me show you guys. You earn from ads. You just watch ads. Here you watch ad and you earn. You can learn also Forex. You watch YouTube videos. You can even buy views of YouTube here. You see, you can buy views, and you can also watch TikTok. There's also a TikTok videos there you watch. You can even buy TikTok views. You can buy even TikTok views. There's also free spinning. This is when you can spin and make some cool money in spinning. So there's also a trivia question. This is a question where you answer simple question and you also get paid for. So a BESTMULA Agency is a nice platform. You withdraw your money from here to your mobile money. You withdraw to your mobile money. It works worldwide. It works worldwide. It works worldwide. So once you activate your account, it's going to be like this, and then you start earning. We have affiliate marketing, where you will have your link. Affiliate link is also here. You copy it. You copy affiliate link. You copy, then you send it to your friend. We also have, you can join our WhatsApp group. It's here. You can follow us on Telegram also for more tips. So register your account, activate it, and then you inbox me. This video is too short because I want to be brief on how, because these are the things I've been explaining. For the other platform which has passed Lipapa, there's no TikTok, but this one there's a TikTok videos. They have included TikTok. That is the best. And the good thing about it is the forex lesson in it, they are super very nice for beginners. If you also want to learn more Forex, you can join BESTMULA. It's a leading platform under the management of Cytos management. This is the top management. So guys, don't miss it. If you're in Uganda, everywhere in the world, guys, don't miss it. See us, I've earned some YouTube here, so don't miss it. This is 100% legit and verified by the government. So don't miss BESTMULA Agency. I wish you all the best, but don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Please subscribe, comment, share, and then I will command you. I'm going to give offer for those who are going to subscribe to the channel and share. There is going to be offer for you. So